This week in class, we talked about the collective behavior theory and the different types of theories that are in social movements. The first theory we talked about was the Chicago School approach to collective behavior. So the approach to collective behavior was developed by a number of other sociologists associated with the symbolic iterationist approach at the University of Chicago. So according to their perspective, collective behavior develops in situations where established systems of meaning and sources of information have broken down, forcing participants to construct new meanings to guide their behavior. A second theory we talked about was Smelser's theory, and he has 6 different determinants of collective behavior. So the first one is structural conduciveness, the second one is structural strain, the third one is the spread of a generalized belief, the fourth one is precipitating factors, fifth is mobilization for action, and sixth is social control. So the model is value added in that each determinant or social condition adds value to the explanation. The next theory we talked about was mass society theory. It views collective behavior as an extreme response to social isolation, and mass society theory takes off the Durkheimian notion that social stability is maintained by the existence of common values that are transmitted and sustained through various social institutions. The last theory we talked about was relative deprivation theory. And relative deprivation theory is based on the observation made by Alexis de Tocqueville and others that people often rebel when things are improving. It's not the most deprived groups that engage in collective action, but those who seem to be improving their positions or who are among the best off within the aggrieved group. So there were a lot of theories, and they were all criticized because a lot of people didn't agree with them or thought that they were wrong and they just were there to convince people otherwise.